Profit Meet. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcvs.com. Welcome to my Profit Meet review. I'm here inside the members area of Profit Meet. During this video, I will be giving a demo of exactly what is inside the members area of Profit Meet. See, in a nutshell, actually Profit Meet lets you host unlimited video meetings, live conferences, webinars on their cloud infrastructure at a very low one-time fees. So Profit Meet also has a built-in autoresponder for automated webinar reminders. So that is definitely a plus point. For a one-time fee, you're getting a webinar autoresponder. So you can start hosting meetings and webinars within a few clicks using Profit Meet. So you can also provide this as a service and make some money out of it. Profit Meet is newbie friendly and it does not require any tech skill, marketing experience or anything. Like anybody can use this very easily, and also you can also run a business with this particular software. I'll just be telling you how to do it. If this sounds like something you're interested in, just click on the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. So you just scroll on this bonus page down below and click on any of these green buttons here, which will take you to the sales page. And the sales page will be live as of 11 a.m. Eastern on the 16th of October. And you can pick up Profit Meet for just $17. It's a steal at $17 because it is like you can have your own Zoom type of meetings, definitely with your software, your backup, and definitely you got nobody can come and invade your privacy or your software. So that is really a plus point here. I don't want you to miss on the bonuses because I put in a lot of bonuses for you here, a lot of custom bonuses. I definitely don't want you to miss out on these bonuses, so that they will make this Profit Meet a better experience for you. So that's what it's all about. I just wanted to show you the different bonuses I have put for you here. So the bonus number one, is now you are going to get how to build a website from scratch. So in this bonus, you will be getting access to a course by Jono Armstrong, who is my mentor, and you will learn how to create and improve your website in just 3 easy steps. This is bonus number one. Bonus number two is you're going to how to build a buyer's list while profiting. So this is a fantastic a piece of information info course, wherein it will teach you how to build a buyer's list while profiting. And this buyer list will definitely help you promote products via webinars and all that. So how to create a buyer's list using a webinar is one of the thing this will be teaching you. And bonus number three is learn how to do proper email marketing. So ultimately you are running this webinar for getting more customers, so we have to know how to market properly with email marketing. So this will help you really in help you in email marketing, and this is a complete tutorial on email marketing, including the do's and don'ts of email marketing. So this is my bonus number three. And bonus number four is you're going to get instant content for free. So how to make instant content and that too for free is something what will be covered in bonus 4. And you will be getting access to a method through which you can generate instant content without any issues. So this is my bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses. These are the bonuses the vendor has given me to give it to you. So these are the bonuses. You will be getting access to 10 products with resale rights. So it's a fantastic set of bonus, and all these bonuses will be available for you in the members area. So you're going to get all these. You're going to get all these bonuses straight. You just have to go into your Warrior Plus account and click on these username or your affiliate ID here. This drop down menu is going to come. Click on this purchase history, and it will take you to this particular Profit Meet page. So from there you just click on that Profit Meet and it will take you to this particular receipt page, which here the green button says access your purchase. So just click on this green button and you're going to get your purchase. Down below is one more blue button which says access affiliate link, affiliate bonus. So click on the blue buttons and you're going to get all my bonuses 100% free of cost. Even if you pick up the front end, which will just cost you around $17. So let us talk about the upsells and the front end pricing. I already told you the front end pricing will cost you, or it's going to cost you around $17. But I just wanted to one minute. I just wanted to take you to these upsells. Yeah, this upsell number, the front end I told you is $17, and you're going to get a downsell at $15. So what you can do is you can just pretend to close the browser, and then it'll prompt you for a $2 discount. So that is, you can get it at $15. So upsell number 1, Profit Meet Pro Unlimited Edition. So the front end is going to limit the number of calls you can make. So unlimited version is going to cost you around 37 US and the downsell at 27 US. So here what you have to do is you have to come down below and click the no thanks. Then it's going to give you a downsell. So upsell number 2 is Enterprise Edition, upsell number 3 is Done For You Edition, upsell number 4 is Reseller Edition, and upsell number 5 is IMX Bundle. So in the Reseller Edition you can just sell this product as your own product, and you can make all these price points here. You can make if you go ahead and buy the reseller version. So the key benefits of this is have virtually unlimited meetings, launch a full-fledged online business in seconds. Profit Meet will change the way you view online video conferences and webinars from the group up. Create unlimited meetings and have them live anytime you want for all one time. So you can just go through all these things at your own time, and you can just I don't waste any more of your time. So let us head over to the sales page, and the sales page looks like this, which says run unlimited webinars and video meetings at a low one-time price. Definitely yes. So brand new Zoom killer software lets you run unlimited done for you webinars in the cloud for a traffic meeting for big commissions. So say goodbye to GoToWebinar and Zoom's expensive limiting monthly subscriptions. So suppose if you are running webinars and all that, then this is a very good option for you, because EverWebinar and all the very expensive GoToWebinar, Webinar Jam, they're all expensive software, they have expensive piece of equipment, and it's a monthly recurring expense. So if you sell through webinars, then this is a very good option for you. So there's a demo video which tells you how this particular thing works. So there's a demo video here also. So now I just don't want to waste any further of your time. You can just go through at your own leisure as to what this whole thing is all about. Let us quickly head over to the members area, where I'll be showing you a small of how this particular thing works. So this is the members area here. So you got a dashboard, instant meeting, meeting segments, contacts, users, and to-dos. So the contacts, you can get in touch with all these contacts through this particular Profit Meet. So now I just wanted to go through, and this is the upcoming meeting, hosted meetings, attended meetings, and instant meetings. This is a small dashboard which shows you the entire count of the thing. Now I just want to show you how to start a meeting. Just press start a meeting. So here you're going to get this particular thing, audio conference. You want to have a live class, you want to have a podcast, a video conference, or webinar. Suppose you want to start a video conference, for example, you just have to go into this video conference menu. Now this will take me to a place. Yeah, because I'm using the camera of my laptop recording this. This is not taking two devices at the same time. So basically the same thing what you do. Click to go live. Here when you click, it will generate a URL. So just send that URL to the person whom you want to meet. He just has to press the URL, and he's going to connect to your particular window or tab where you open this particular Profit Meet. So that's how the whole thing works, friends. So once again, if you want to get all my bonuses, all you have to do is click the link in the description below, which will take you to my bonus page. Click on any of the green buttons, it will take you to the sales page, where you can just click on the product and buy it. So that is the thing. If you are watching this video, there are 50% chance that you are not subscribed to the channel, and there is a 100% chance that you can kindly do this and consider subscribing to the channel. So just like, share, and comment on this channel how you are feeling the videos, you like it or not, or any feedback you want to give. You can just have to enter this particular thing. So that's it, guys. This will bring me to the end of this review of Profit Meet. So my next review will come up shortly, and until then, goodbye.